Hello everyone. This is not my usual type of video, but my husband's been saying I should do it for a while, so here we are navigating YouTube for people that don't know these things. Now, this is my YouTube channel. This will be good for any YouTube channel that you go to. I'm just going to show you around a little bit. There are things you might not know. Now, if you look, here's my heading and that. There's these tabs over here. A lot of people don't even notice them, but this is how you can get to different areas on YouTube. So the home screen will just show you like basic videos and that, most newest ones and that. But if you want to see what all that channel has, you would click on the videos and it will show you all the different videos that they have. Now YouTube limits how many you see in here. Last I heard it was like, I don't know, 70 videos or something like that. I have a lot more videos than that, so I set up playlists. So to get to playlists, you would click on this tab, and I have them separated by different categories. Now, you can go into each of these things here, and it'll list the different things on the sides here, all the different videos in that category, and you can just click around in them. Or you could click to loop them, or you could click to shuffle them. And then I just click the back button to go back, or you could click on this button, which would take you back to my channel. So the community tab is something people get when they get 1,000 subscribers. Mine is now open. This is where I can post little updates, and then I do polls or surveys, or if I just want to tell you guys something and don't want to make a video on it, this is where it will be. Now, I'm on the computer, so you can see this community tab. If you're on a iPad, now I don't know if it's true for like Android tablets or not, but on the iPad, you cannot see the community tab. You can see that here, when you click it, it says it's not available, but you can see it on your phone. And that, so you can respond there. Channels is just ones that I've bookmarked about, tells you about the page and that. This is also where you can get links to like my Facebook, Instagram, my website, stuff like that. Now, this is what was most important. You go into videos. Now, a lot of people, when they're in a video, such as this, there's a lot of buttons in here you don't even realize. A lot of people don't even know where to get the video description. So here is, you get a short little part of it. But if you click the show more button here, you get all of it. So like all the color listings and everything for the paints I've used, different links and everything I put in there. That's also how you get down to where you can comment on the videos. You can add a public comment right here. But you won't have some of this because I have add-ons installed. So like this vidIQ thing, you wouldn't have on there. Then up here at the top, this is where you would subscribe if you want to be notified on the channel. I'm not seeing the bell icon. You click the subscribe. Also, if you guys like the video, I don't think a lot of people realize, but doing like a thumbs up, even if you don't want to comment, just doing a thumbs up, any activity you do on the video helps the YouTuber out. It will show activity on your video and it'll bump it up on the listing so that other people see it. So doing thumbs up or adding a comment, or the longer that you watch the video, all that helps the YouTuber to get promoted on YouTube, to get their videos out in front of other people. Also, if you care to share the video, if you click this link, you could just copy the URL of the video and send it to somebody. Or you can post it to Facebook. If you click this, it'll open Facebook. See how it added it here, and I can write whatever I want here and then post it right to my Facebook. Or they have all these different other social media sites and that. But one thing, when you're going to share it, see how it says start down here? Always when you're going to share a video, unless there's a specific part of the video you want to show somebody, slide this bar all the way to the beginning. So it's at the beginning of the video, and then when you click share, it'll start it right from the beginning. Or if you want to start it at a different spot, say there's something in the middle of the video I wanted to show them, you could go all the way up to the middle like this, and then when you go share and you click this, it'll start it right at that point when the person plays it. So say you go, oh Sue, you got a mistake in here you need to fix, and you're going to send me this link. You'd want to forward it right to that thing, click this, and then copy this link and send it to me. But there's all these different places. This helps to get the name out to other people. So if you like any of my videos, I'd appreciate if you shared them that way. Or any other YouTuber that's on here would appreciate it. Now, also, things that people aren't aware of is, say the video's going too fast for you. If you click this cog wheel up here, it pulls in this menu. Now you can change the quality of the video. You can also change the playback speed. So if you click here, it'll let you slow it down with these, or it'll let you speed it up. So say, oh, I just want to really go slow. I could click this, and then when I play it, look at how slow my hand is going. And that, so let me put it back to normal so I don't forget. Those are just a few of the things on here. Oh, also save. If you click this save button, I have to be signed in. Let me sign in. Okay. So say you want to save it. If you click this, it'll pull up your playlist. Or you could create a new playlist and you can add it right to it. And then it'll be saved into that playlist. So let's make a new one just to show you. So I'll go in here. Now create a new one. And I'll just name it Show Playlist. Okay, and it added it to Show Playlist. So now, over here, if I go down to my playlist, see how it says Show Playlists here? And there it is. You can add any of them you want there. And you can name it anything you want to name. Say you named it that and you don't like it, you could click here and go Test Playlist. But then you can have a whole listing of just the videos that you want to go back and see later. So it's just a quick, short little tips and tricks on how to get your way around YouTube. So I hope that helps some of you out to figure out what you're doing and how to find things more easily. So I'll talk to y'all later. See you tomorrow. Bye.